Well, we finally made it here to Uranus, or Uranus, however you pronounce it here. The factory, the Fudge factory, and other things on Route 66 in Missouri here. So we're going to be checking this out and see everything they got. Looks cute. I'll even have a city jail over there. That's funny. And it looks like they got a dinosaur here, over here, and they got an alien too. We'll check that out as well. Got the dinosaur here. We got Route 66 here, and Freeway 44. It goes towards St. Louis that way, and Springfield that way, and looks like we got an alien here. Get your kicks, Uranus, in Uranus. Caution, student driver. That's funny. Got a little playground here as well. See the student driver sign, Alex? Oh, on the bus. Oh, it's got a skeleton in it. That's funny. The Funk Yard, Route 66. Oh, there's somebody on the top there. I guess you can go inside it. Got the other side of the bus here. Yeah, so it looks like you could actually go inside the bus. Whew, it's hot in here. Yeah, that's a big bus. And they got upstairs there. It's a cute table here. And then they got the mother road right here. Looks like Uranus has food here. Let's see, they got ice cream.
She knew we'd be.
Hot diggity dog. Now that's cute. I like that. That's pretty neat. World's largest belt buckle. That's interesting. There's the police there. Pet the alien. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he spoke. Let's see what they got here. Strange museum here. There are a lot of freaks in Uranus. Okay. There, Uranus.
Oh, if it hits it.
Oh.
You're good until the rubber.
Oh.
Crazy. Uranus Fudge Factory here. That's beautiful how they got the flowers. It's pretty. Can I grab you nuts? Dream big. We're going inside Uranus here. The fudge market. So we got some peanut rolls here, pecan rolls.
Oh, Brian, they have gloves.
Sorry.
Yeah, up in the upper right corner.
Houses are not too bad actually. Some salsa. They got some candy in here, it looks like. They got all kinds of candy, taffy. Lots of candy. They got warm suckers and scorpion suckers. Yuck. Nasty. Ugh. We got a train that goes around here. Pour it one in your Uranus. This is hilarious. Hillbilly shot glass. That's cute. Hillbilly weather nuts. Oh my gosh. And hillbilly twig pencil. And hillbilly cell phone. That's funny. That's funny. And hillbilly was one up ass, a whole different kind of nuts. Oh my gosh. Hillbilly desktop calculator. That is funny. Got an old gas tank here. Oh my gosh. Different flavors, different flavors. Moon pies here and some RCs. Uranus mugs here. They got some shirts here. Got different flavors popcorn here. It's popping in Uranus. Straight out of Uranus shirt. And this one's funny. Oh gosh. Uranus Attacks the movie. You need a drink here. Coffee too. This is cute. I like big mugs and I cannot lie. I'm kind of a big deal. I love pickles. That'd be good for me. Coffee makes me poop. My coffee cup is nuts. Gone fishing. I like that one. I like that one. This girl don't take no shit. Got some songs here. That's cute. Happy Camper. I like that cup. That's nice. Secret safe. Yep, I'd have to agree with that sticker. I got a press penny machine. Got an alien that's here. Let's look at the fudge here. All kinds of fudge. You can see the fudge there. Roasted nuts. Some popcorn. Look what we got here. Got some nice magnets here.
What's that one from the back? Uranus, Missouri. That's a
Uranus Mining Company here. Get some rocks. I need to get these shorts. That's good. Papa Squatch shirts here. Mama Squatch. Little Squatch. Warning, what happens here stays here. Man cave. That's cute. I like that. I love Bigfoot stuff. Gas is Squatch. Sasquatch. Cute stuff. I got these cool beer glasses here. I like big nuts and I cannot lie. Wash your paws. Love the lunch boxes here. Reminds me when I was a kid in the early 80s. E.T. Phone home. Brings back memories. I'd probably have to agree with this one. Need my space, that's funny. And they got astronaut food here. We got geodes too here. We got Zoltar here.
Please let one of our professional fudge packers know immediately so they can wipe